My goal from an update is continuing education. You've already gone through the process to be certified. Someone thought you were qualified as an instructor. My job is not to evaluate whether they made a good decision or not. Okay, my goal is to push you to the next level.
Or getting the most tape. Go for it.
Get that one checked first.
Well, these guys still got one left. They win. Okay, so what does this activity do?
Reinforces skills.
Use compound skills, I guess, a little bit.
You got maneuvers going on.
Maneuvers?
Part of those compounds, caused by those compounds.
How about energy?
Yeah.
The energy was
Gets the energy up.
for me.
What I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to evaluate them as they're paddling, and you're going to give me a quick 2-second feedback what they're doing well, what they need to work on.
So tell me what parts felt good.
Initial takeoff, efficiency, but at least effective.
Good, so good acceleration.
Yeah.
Good. So the things I saw, great control of the boat, so good acceleration, being able to run the buoy well.
What would your learning objective, what do you want people to do? Number one thing.
Well, when they show up at an entry level like this, I like to give them some confidence to be a canoe and not just getting a paddle forward.
A turn first, because we have a lot of Girl Scouts who, if you teach them forward strokes first, they get out in the middle of the water and they don't know how to turn around and get back.
And my number one goal is confidence.
Oh, yeah. They're still working on here.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Now one stroke to go the other way. Even higher on that key grip here. Now if you're seeing someone and you have a partner, Chris, you want to help me for a second?
So this is where you can correct. I wanted his blade plastered. I can plaster.
Watch it hit the back of the boat. There you go. Yeah. Ready? Here we go. One stroke.
Great. T asked me how I go in the progression into the eddy turns, because we've done ferries, we've done peel outs, then we'll go into an eddy turn. Now that they're getting the move, they're already starting to feel the peel out. I'm going to transition them into doing a C turn. So there's the approach angle, but there's...
You're too tall, or is that...
Yeah, well, my world. It's very hard to focus on students and your own task at the same time. You really got to be comfortable with the teaching moves to do them well, because you can't. It's hard to get good feedback when you're trying to manage.
You're worried about what you're doing and then also trying to tell them what they're supposed to be doing.
Yeah, exactly. That's very hard.
Yes! That is beautiful.
Felt pretty good.
Yeah! Woo! That was it, man! How's that sort of feel? Great?
I can do it prettier.
Can do it prettier?
I
and then your job is to give them problems or challenges, okay? And then give them a little bit of advice and encouragement about how do you use the wave, and then you can come back and we can revisit. Ooh, yeah! Am I busting your ass?
Yeah.
Good. Good. I go, because we can't even do this.
Roll! Roll! Hey, hey, spread this way! Spread this way! Grab my back! Grab my back!
What went well?
Got him ashore. Good.
Thank you, guys.
Well, I thought it would slide better than it did. I could have put a tether on it and paddled it across, but I figured this would work smooth and easy, is what I thought.
Great open motors, even in the best conditions. It's difficult to bulldoze the boat because you only got a blade on one side. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I try to go for the tether.
Watch Dan's approach angle.
Yeah, this is
So,
He's trying to
yeah, this is
see, look, he's gonna go backward because he had all of his momentum going downstream. Okay, so it's not speed, it's getting that approach angle. You can do it. But you had the perfect approach path, and your stroke did not work, but you caught it perfectly. Chuck! Eric is aiming at.
That is really nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, big.
Egg is going to be going down the right side. It's this water gathers energy going down there. We're going to see some pretty good waves and maybe a couple of haystacks down there at the bottom.
Very nice. Ooh!
I think there's another spot.
Wow! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! And we're officially going to kind of close the class out here. We're going to run the rapid, but just want to say it's been really cool to paddle with you all. It's been really fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you for coming out.
All right, I think you all know this last repeater. Have fun. Look at that. Look at his control, so much better now. I love it.